Welcome to JJ with Joy. Okay, guys, the last time I made this snippet roll, and so this time I'm going to make baby snips. So these are just cute little pieces that have several layers together, and then you just put them on your projects. You know, you might put it on a tag or a card or whatever. So that's what we're going to do today. But first, I don't want to forget this time. This is for the Sweet Pea Papers Crafty Christmas in July 24. It's a collaboration, and it's from July 1st to the 31st. So you have plenty of time. There's 25 collaborators, 100 plus videos. And in order to get in the drawing, everything that you make, you can post it in two places. You can post it in Sweet Pea Papers and or the Junk Journal tutorials and more Facebook groups. And you do need to use the hashtag Crafty Christmas in July 24, and you'll get one entry for each of the giveaway. Or, you know, there's several giveaways. These are the people that we want to give the hoorahs to because they made some freebie. Oh, I don't have them all on there. Sorry. Gonna have to cut off Sweet Pea Paper parts to get them all in there this time. But anyway, these are the people. They created some digitals and stuff so that we could all create. However, I'm not using their digital stuff, but you know, you are more than welcome to. It's freebies, so let's get started. First thing you're going to need is like some sort of a base of sparkle, and I'm going to add a little bit of any kind of any kind of vintage stuff. Yeah, you know me. Joy don't have words. I'm trying to keep these about inch to an inch and a half. So let's just cut some pieces and see what we get. I thought this one was pretty cute. This is this fabric, and you know, it covers most of the fabric, so you know, you don't really hide too much of that. And let's see, I liked this for that one. Have some buttons ready or charms or whatever you want to put in the center. Or you can even just sew in some little knots or something, you know, little fun knots. Oh, there's some, you know, whatever you need. Just have scraps hanging around. This time I think, well, I'm going to go ahead and use the red again because the red was pretty. And then I'll have stuff everywhere, all over my desk. All right, I'm going to sew the ends of these. I have me a needle ready with some thread on it. And all I'm going to do is pick this little pile up. Try to keep it so you're seeing all of the layers somewhat. Going to go up through the middle, and then I'm going to try to catch the ends of this. Not the easiest thing in the world to do, but you know, it'll work. It's fine. Oh, look at that. It went right on through, you little ding dong. Well, that might have been what happened the last time too then, huh? It's all right. We're going to go round and round. I'm going to sew it in a knot, sew it in a bow, tie it over your shoulder like a cotton in a soldier. I'm having so much fun with Christmas, you guys. I love me some Christmas. I do. All right, so I need a little green button. Oops, I don't want to do the... Got to come up from the bottom and catch it. And I didn't do it again. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Just call me a nincompoop. It's okay. Don't call me names. Don't call me names. It's not nice to call names. All right. Anyway, there we are. So last little up through the thing. And then I'm going to get me a button. How big of a button do I want? Do I want a little button? Oops. I want it to cover the mess in the middle, so, you know, there's that. Man, you talk about being a little stinker. It is. There it is. What's bad is on the eyelash trim, it catches on all of the threads as it's being pulled up. So it's kind of a little cantankerous piece here, but that's all right. I still like it. I still think they're pretty. Get all the fuzzy wuzzies out of the way. Doesn't have to have all the fuzzy wuzzies, but there's that one. I think that's cute. We're going to tie it off in the back. And that's going to make me a little problem child again there. All right. These are super easy, super fast. Once you know, if you get your stuff out and start rolling with them, you will have it going, going, going. I already, look at me, I'm getting ahead of the gang here. Yay me! I already got me a new string already ready. How about that? Okay, so I got me two. Let's try a different color backing. So I have green for the eyelash trim this time. So that means I need a little bit of red sparkle underneath. Did I have red sparkle already out? I don't know. I don't know. It don't matter. Okay, so I'm going to go red. Do I have anything under the red that will leave yet? Ooh. I don't know. How about I could do some of this. This is kind of like kind of eyelashy trimmy-ish, you know what I mean? And a little piece of fabric that I have millions of, but can I find one in the moment? Yeah, those scissors are sharp. Man. Wowie yowie. Let's see what I got. Well, I hate to do the same fabric. How about this fabric? No, that don't match. Ooh, this is cute. Ouch. I have trouble with grip on my hand. Oh, I threw the wrong piece away. This is a little long. Am I even in frame? I hope so. I'm going to cut that off. That's a little much. I'll save those little pieces. I don't throw anything away. All right, so then I got to get my eyelash trim. I thought I already cut it off. Did I already lose it? Well, you know me. If I did, I did. And you can glue these little pieces down. You don't have to, like, have them sewed down as such. Oh, this is a much smaller needle. Wow. I'm used to using bigger needles. All right, we're not going to pull that through because I made a mess the last time. This is a little shorty. My goodness. All right. I'm going to catch this before because this is so open, and we'll call it venti because, you know, not the coffee venti. Huh. Well, if I can get through that knot, gladly. Yeah, there it is. That way it won't pull on through. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to put a red button on this one since I'm using the green. So whatever color you use, just keep using, you know, mixing it up. Go, you know, green, red, green, red. If you're doing Christmas, now if you're doing others, you just do them. Oh, wait, am I doing green? Doing red. Oh, man. Isn't that pretty? It's kind of big. I'm going to do it, to do it, to do it. I'll use that one. Why not? In the hole. There we go. Stitch it on in there. Yeah, well, I need to get to my garden, y'all. And I still have to, my neighbor, he's in rehab. I need to go water his plants because he's got them looking pretty good. I don't know, does that need something else under it? It kind of looks like it might. You know, if you don't think it's got enough, add some more. Why not? I'm going to go up through there, catch a little bit of that, go down, and here, I'm just going to sew it on the back. I'm not going to go back up and down through. I'm just going to sew it on the back. I'm calling these baby snips because I think that they're like a bit of a snippet, but they're small, so I just call them baby snips. I do have other kinds in my shop on Etsy, JJ with Joy on Etsy, and I think I have some little pink ones in there. You know, if you like pink. Every time I hear the word pink now, I think of my granddaughter because she goes, pink. Oh, she's so cute. All right. Well, she used to go pink because she's grown out of it now. But she used to, and it used to be super cute. And since we mocked her so much about saying pink, I want pink, then we just said everything's pink. Okay, I'm going to do gold background this time. So if you know, go to the fabric store and look at this pretty stuff. I mean, it's fun to have this all sparkly stuff. I tell you, I love sparkles. And I bought a bunch of it, and then I went back and bought more of it because, you know, we're crafters, we're hoarders, we're not users. No, we're not users. How about a little of this on that one too? That'd be pretty. That way we got 3 colors. And then, ooh, should I use gold? I don't know. Why not? Let's mix it up. That way we can have a little bit of everything, right? Uh-oh, my needle's missing. Well, what did I do with it? I think I must have put this over. Oh, man. Am I going to have to? Oh, here it is. Phew. I did. I threw that on top of it and made a mess. Okay. Sometimes my mess gets so deep that I can't find anything. And I struggle really a lot with the can't find anything pile. All right, there we go. Ooh, now what color button should I put on it though? I think I'll put a green button on it because it looks like it's got plenty of red and plenty of gold, don't it? Don't it? Doesn't it? Here we go. Oh, or I have that thing. Wait a minute. Oh, it's like wrapping up all my fuzzies. You got to pull all that pretty out of there. What's it doing? Is it causing me grief? Of course it is. All right. I don't know. Would that be too much? I think so. Okay, we're going to go with green. Big bad green. I kind of like it. Might be a little big for the project, but I still like it. So these would be good to use like on anything. Just on a, you could make it into a tab for a journal, or you could sew it onto, or glue it onto a tag. Put it just on the page by itself. Put it on the corner of an envelope. Decorate up an envelope. Lots of fun things, definitely. All right, so if it moves on you and you don't have it quite centered and it bothers you, just cut off that little edge. Ow, Mom, that hurts. There we go. Anyway, I don't want to make this a long video because it's just repetitive, you know. So, if you guys like what you see, though, please give me a thumbs up. Share it if you would like. And if you would like to see more from me, subscribe. And if you do choose the all subscription button, you know, you will get everything I post. And don't forget to start making some Christmas and get in this collaboration. Sweet pea papers again. And here's the thing. Here's the thing. We'll do it like that. Sweet pea papers group, Facebook. It's not YouTube. It's Facebook group. You can do it on YouTube. You can post, but if you do, you still got to post in Sweet Pea Papers and the Junk Journal tutorials and more to enter the drawing and get it in there by July 31st. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it. If you have an idea that you'd like to share, tell me all about it. I'm open to it. Aren't they pretty? Oh, they're beautiful. I like them. I think I made 4. 4, y'all. Look at me. Woohoo. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you. And remember, your day is full of choices. So choose joy. Have a great day.